right. Good afternoon, students and parents and students. Uh, this is my website, as you can see. My name is Mr. Brown. Welcome, sixth graders. I'm going to show you a little, do a little tour of my flipped classroom project. So as we scroll to this page here by clicking on the button there, it'll take you to Mr. Brown's flipped classroom. The first section has the grade level and subject. Uh, I teach sixth grade math, so the grade level and the subject are there. Hello, parents and students. There's a little message here. Uh, this section called directions gives you a brief summary on all the different sections on this page and also the directions for the lesson. So when students come into class tomorrow, they need to follow these 9 directions so that they can successfully complete their assignment. All right, moving on, we have the standards. The standard we're going to talk about this week is going to be standard NS5, understanding positive and negative numbers in real world scenarios. You can read the standard here. The standard is there for students to know what content that they're responsible for learning. And then we have the objective where the objective is written in a student friendly language so that students can easily comprehend what is expected of them to learn before the end of the class. We have the lesson plan here in the next section. If we click on this button, it'll take us to the Mr. Brown's lesson plan. So the lesson plan works like a sort of planner or organizer to tell you what standard objectives and I can statements there are for the week, and then some prerequisites or skills that students need to learn before even attempting to learn the standard. And then also they have pretty much a minute by minute script so that you know what's happening in class at a specific time. All right, there we go there. And then let's move on. We're going to go back to the flipped classroom here. We have the instructional video. As you can see, there's a embedded YouTube video here. You can go ahead and click on the play button and it will start playing. Hello, everyone. And as you can see, the volume or the video works and you can play it there. Then we have the Google Slides presentation. As I noted in the instructional video, students must have looked at the Google Slides and took notes in preparation for coming to class tomorrow. One thing I would like to note is that you have, scrolling back up here, I don't know why that happened, but scrolling back up here, we have the Google Slides. Notice that there is a video here. I encourage you to watch the video so that when you come in to class tomorrow, and I'm talking about the students, that you have a good understanding of what's going to happen as far as positive and negative numbers. All right, then we have the curation tool. This works as a way to get several different resources all in one place. It's like a bulletin board where you can just tack up different sticky notes. Let's click on the button here. It'll take you to this web page. Notice that they have different color sticky notes. They have a video, same video that they need to watch on the Google Slides. And just students will be doing an assignment in Lino. So I encourage you to watch the video before coming to class so you don't have to watch it in class. But here we have the grade level topic, and then we have the standard, the video. After watching the video, there's a couple questions. They have a picture here that show you how positive and negative numbers go on the number line that I want students to look at. There's the question of the day, and then there are real life examples that they can click on this website here, and it'll take them to a blog about how negative numbers work in the real world. So it talks about temperature, money, sea level, elevator, lift, quizzes, and games. So there's a ton of uses for positive and negative numbers. It's just a great read for sixth graders. And let's move on to the flipped classroom again. So now we're on resource one. I'm going to introduce the Khan Academy website via pressing this button here at the bottom. All right, here's the resource called Khan Academy. Khan Academy is pretty much a web-based software program thing where you can practice different sixth grade standards. It's like, take this for example. In the board game, blah blah blah, draws a card with 0. That means not moving any spaces. And then I'm gonna check my answer. And once you get it right, it'll tell you you got great work. You got it. 6 more. So basically, students can get instant feedback on, hey, if they got their answer right or not. So that is always great. So that's how they'll benefit because they can learn from that. And then students can show me what their score is at the end of each session. That's how their performance will be measured. All right. We'll also play a game. Once you, let's say you click on the game here, it'll take you to this website. The game that I want students to play in class is called Use Negative Numbers. Look for that title. And this also works like Khan Academy. You answer the question and it'll tell you right off the bat if you got it right or wrong. So like you look at the number here, the number line shows you what happens if you start at 1 and subtract 1. You start at 1, subtract 1, you get 0. Submit. An excellent job. You got it right. So that's all you need to know about that. It's basically a quiz assessment type of deal where it'll tell you what you got right off the whip. All right, going down to the Google Forms quiz. This is the final thing that students will need to do as far as the flipped classroom project to demonstrate what they learned. And basically all it is you take the quiz right here. As you can see, it's interactive. It's embedded in the thing. All right. And as you can see, we're just taking a quiz here. Once you're done, you press submit. And you can view your score so you can get that instant feedback. It will take you there. Oh, we made it 80 without even trying. So basically, if you want to test and see what you did, then you would take the quiz at the end and submit. So that is it. I've went through every single section of my flipped classroom. So if you have any questions, send me an email. You can contact me via email by submitting this form. Put your first and last name here, your email, and a comment. And if you ever need my email, here's my email. You can just copy the link that's in this button here. Like there. All right. So there you can see my email. So it really works. And I hope you guys have a great day. Let me know. All right. Have a great day. Bye.